This is the best part of the series. Man, I'm sad this is ending. Now we've got to restart. Yeah. Here's all your tries. This is all Bro's tries. And here's my holster. I have to hold it like this. Oh!
Did you guys see that?
Did you guys see that? It's like rewind it on 0.3 times speed. It's like landed on here and then just fall.
Slip away. Just slip away.
Almost.
I accidentally hit your ball.
Bro, you hit my balls.
You also hit my ball like a man. Yeah. Hit.
Hi guys.
Why did you push it?
Yeah, that actually went in. I just pushed it away. Almost. Almost.
One fell off the bus is okay.
That actually went in. You just like this and I just pushed it away. Get the next one. Oh, that actually went in 4 times in a row. 4.
Hey, hold it.
Whoa. Oh, it didn't fall to the ground. 7 times in a row.
Oh. No.
It didn't fall to the ground.
No. What? You make a part one remake.
That actually went in.
Have you put all the cups in just one pot?
Yeah.
What?
Whoa. That actually landed on my hand and landed again.
Bam!
Landed on my hand again.
Bam. Thanks.
Cave divers.
Let me know.
Let me know. Do you love the world?
This cup is going to cave dive into this cup.
It's actually cave diving into this cup.